what I would probably talk to you about is this barrier to entry. If it's coming down, you're going to get a lot of competitors probably. There's a lot to say there's a lot of smart people in this world, and most don't work for you. They're going to find a way to get around that.
$4,000 investment to acquire the company. So I'd like to know more about that. And who's actually selling this?
So basically, internationally right now, the world wants American products. The world really wants American wellness brands, these organic and natural food products that you find in Whole Foods. You know, it's essentially just a one-stop shop where brands can apply to be in our ecosystem and join our catalog, and buyers can come and build their shopping cart, everything you're imagining. And would you believe it, that's not how the world works today? You know, the international buyers, Walmart, Central America, sends their purchase orders in the text body of an email. So this type of innovation is totally unique, and we're the first to market to provide this type of service for the B2B wellness space. We can bring any brand global in 120 days or less. Right now we have 13 brands under contract. We've got another 30 in the pipeline who are looking for our service. Again,
we have pioneered the kiosk as a service technology to create the digital concierge for every lobby, every waiting area, and every public space out there. And we have barely marketed ourselves, but we have some name brand customers who choose to work with us because they had this challenge to engage people in their physical spaces that had not been solved at a price point or with the level of simplicity that we brought to the table. It's much like setting your HBO app on your Apple TV or Fire TV, and they can set it up online from there. And in minutes, they have a beautiful looking, extremely engaging kiosk that can be deployed in their live environment. In fact, it's also easy that we are the first company that can literally ship a device to a prospect and let them try it out free for a month. And every time we have done that, we have had 100% conversion rate. When they see it, they keep it.
We're targeting the aging market, American healthcare. It's a challenge, and it will continue to be a challenge going forward. Why? The oldest, sickest, and largest population is flooding our system. How do we meet the patients where they are today to get the aging population more effectively managed, likely at home, where they want to be in better quality? So we do that by extending the capacity of individual physicians through large physician groups and hospitals, by managing a distributed workforce of nurses. So we hire nurses, they're W-2 employees that work for us. They work from home. They work with the same doctors every day. Health plans are willing to pay for the services that our nurses provide to those patients between visits. Here's the secret to our success. Like any relationship, the basis of a good relationship is trust. Who do you trust besides your family? Studies have shown time and time again, the doctor. One of the most trusting the person you have most faith in outside your own family. So how do we use that asset that already exists, that you've already chosen, and generate recurring revenue? We give you a human connection that's more accessible, it's more available, and can work with you. We bring the technology and make it really efficient.
Maybe I'll do the 2 and the 1, I don't know.
2018 Ben Franklin Venture winner is Signallamp. Congratulations, everybody.